Have you ever felt like you've stepped into a scene from your own life even though you know you haven't? It's as if your mind is playing a trick on you, making you believe you've been here before, in this exact moment, even though you know it's impossible. This strange sensation can be both fascinating and unsettling. That eerie sense of familiarity, of knowing what's coming next, is a phenomenon known as déjà vu. It's a fleeting moment where reality seems to blur, and you feel like you're reliving a memory that never actually happened. This sensation can strike at any time, often without warning, leaving you momentarily disoriented. The term, French for already seen, perfectly captures the essence of this strange and often fleeting experience. It's as if your brain is trying to reconcile two conflicting realities, the present moment and a phantom memory that feels just as real. It's a sudden, unexpected feeling that a current experience is a repetition of a past one, despite knowing that this is impossible. This sensation can be so vivid that it leaves you questioning your own memory and perception. Déjà vu can be unsettling, even unnerving. It can make you feel like you're caught in a loop, experiencing the same moment over and over again. This can lead to a sense of anxiety or discomfort as you try to make sense of the inexplicable. It makes us question our perception of reality, leaving us wondering if our minds are playing tricks on us. Are we experiencing a glitch in our mental processing, or is there something more profound at play? This mystery has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. Some people describe it as a glitch in the matrix, a momentary disruption in the fabric of our perceived reality. This idea, popularized by science fiction, suggests that déjà vu is a sign that something is amiss in the world around us. Others associate it with dreams, past lives, or even precognitive abilities. They believe that déjà vu is a glimpse into a parallel universe or a memory from a previous existence. These interpretations add a layer of mystique to an already enigmatic experience. Whatever the interpretation, déjà vu remains a captivating enigma, a testament to the complexities of the human brain and our understanding of consciousness. It reminds us that there is still so much we don't know about the mind and its capabilities, and it keeps us curious about the mysteries that lie within. Our brains are intricate networks of billions of neurons, constantly firing and communicating with each other. These neurons form complex pathways, creating a vast web of connections that underpin every thought, action, and emotion we experience. These intricate pathways form the basis of our memories, experiences, and perceptions. Each connection, each synapse, plays a crucial role in how we interpret the world around us and how we store those interpretations for future reference. When we experience something new, our brains create a neural pattern, a unique signature of that event. This pattern is like a fingerprint, distinct and specific to that particular moment, capturing the essence of the experience. This pattern is then stored in our memory, ready to be recalled in the future. Our brains have an incredible capacity to store vast amounts of information, allowing us to draw upon past experiences to inform our present and future actions. Déjà vu, some scientists believe, arises from a temporary misfiring in this complex system. It's a phenomenon that has puzzled researchers for years, as it blurs the line between past and present experiences. It's like a brief short circuit in the brain's wiring, causing us to perceive a new experience as a retrieved memory, even though it's not. This misfiring can create a powerful sense of familiarity, making us feel as though we've lived this moment before. Imagine a record skipping on a turntable, causing a brief repetition in the music. This analogy helps us understand how a small glitch in our neural pathways can lead to the sensation of déjà vu. Similarly, déjà vu might be a momentary hiccup in our neural circuitry, creating an echo of a past experience. This fleeting overlap between the new and the familiar can be both intriguing and unsettling, reminding us of the intricate and mysterious nature of our own minds. Theories abound when it comes to explaining déjà vu. Some scientists propose that it's a result of neural misfiring, a temporary glitch in the brain's processing system. Others suggest it could be linked to the way our brains process incoming sensory information. When we encounter something new, our brains may take shortcuts, comparing it to existing memories to make sense of it quickly. This could lead to a false sense of familiarity. More esoteric theories venture into the realms of the paranormal, suggesting déjà vu as evidence of past lives, precognition, or even glimpses into parallel universes. While intriguing, these theories lack scientific evidence, However, the persistent mystery of déjà vu continues to fuel speculation and imagination. One prominent theory is the familiarity hypothesis, which suggests that déjà vu arises from a misattribution of familiarity. This theory posits that our brains constantly scan our surroundings, comparing new information with existing memories. Occasionally, this process might go awry, leading us to experience a sense of familiarity with something that is actually new. Imagine walking into a cafe for the first time and feeling an overwhelming sense of déjà vu. The familiarity hypothesis suggests that your brain might be picking up on subtle cues, the aroma of coffee, the arrangement of furniture, the murmur of conversations, that trigger a false sense of recognition. Section 5. Temporal lobe seizures and déjà vu. A neurological connection? Interestingly, déjà vu has also been linked to neurological activity, particularly in the temporal lobe, a region of the brain responsible for memory and sensory processing. Studies have shown that stimulating certain areas of the temporal lobe can induce déjà vu experiences. This has led some researchers to believe that déjà vu might be a type of mini-seizure, a brief burst of abnormal electrical activity in the brain. While this finding is intriguing, it's important to note that most people who experience déjà vu do not have epilepsy or any other neurological condition. The temporal lobe connection, however, provides a tantalizing clue in the quest to unravel the mysteries of déjà vu. Section 6. The science of memory encoding, storage, and retrieval. To understand déjà vu, it's helpful to delve into the science of memory. Memory is a complex and fascinating process that allows us to retain and recall information from our past experiences. It is the foundation of our identity and plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Our memories are not simply recordings of past events. They are dynamic constructions, constantly being shaped and reshaped by our experiences, emotions, and beliefs. This means that every time we recall a memory, it can be slightly altered by our current state of mind and the context in which we remember it. The process of memory can be broken down into 3 stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Each of these stages plays a vital role in how we form and access our memories. During encoding, our brains process new information and convert it into a form that can be stored. This involves attention, perception, and the initial recording of the information. Storage is the retention of this information over time. It involves maintaining the encoded information in our brains, which can be influenced by various factors, such as the strength of the initial encoding and the frequency of recall. Retrieval is the process of accessing and bringing stored information back into conscious awareness. This can be triggered by cues in our environment or by our own internal thoughts and feelings. Déjà vu might occur when there's a glitch in one or more of these stages, leading to a feeling of familiarity with something new. This phenomenon can be intriguing and sometimes unsettling, but it offers a unique glimpse into the intricate workings of our memory system. Section 7. Déjà vu and dreams. A glimpse into the subconscious. Some people believe that déjà vu is linked to dreams. Perhaps we've experienced a similar scenario in a dream, and when we encounter something similar in waking life, it triggers a sense of familiarity. Dreams often tap into our subconscious, drawing on our memories, fears, and desires. Could déjà vu be a manifestation of this subconscious processing, a blurring of the lines between our waking and dreaming realities? While this theory is intriguing, there's no scientific evidence to support it. However, the connection between déjà vu and dreams highlights the elusive nature of memory and the mysteries that still surround our subconscious minds. Section 8. The mystery remains: unanswered questions and future research. Despite decades of research, the phenomenon of déjà vu remains largely unexplained. We still don't fully understand what triggers it, why some people experience it more often than others, or what its purpose might be, if any. Future research using advanced brain imaging techniques might help shed more light on the neural mechanisms underlying déjà vu. Perhaps with a deeper understanding of how our brains process memories and create our sense of reality, we'll be able to unlock the secrets of this perplexing phenomenon. Until then, déjà vu continues to captivate our imaginations, reminding us of the enigmatic nature of our own minds. Section 9. Conclusion: embracing the enigma of déjà vu. Déjà vu is a fascinating and perplexing phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists and philosophers alike. While we may not have all the answers, exploring the various theories and delving into the intricacies of the human brain brings us closer to understanding this enigmatic experience. Perhaps déjà vu is a reminder that our perception of reality is not always as straightforward as it seems. It's a testament to the complexities of our brains and the mysteries that still surround consciousness. So the next time you experience that eerie sense of familiarity, embrace the enigma. It's a reminder that our brains are capable of extraordinary things, even if we don't always understand how or why.